Are you tired of relying on traditional methods for healing and recovery? Look no further than HemGenix, a pioneering company that is revolutionizing the field of regenerative medicine. With a commitment to unlocking the true power of the human body, HemGenix offers cutting-edge treatments that can enhance your healing and accelerate your recovery like never before. Utilizing state-of-the-art technologies and groundbreaking research, HemGenix harnesses the regenerative potential of stem cells to promote tissue repair and regeneration. Whether you're dealing with a sports injury, chronic pain, or a debilitating medical condition, HemGenix's regenerative medicine therapies can provide a holistic and effective solution. With a focus on personalized care and superior results, HemGenix combines the expertise of highly skilled medical professionals with the latest advancements in regenerative medicine. From stem cell therapy to platelet-rich plasma treatments, HemGenix offers a wide range of innovative solutions tailored to your specific needs. Don't let traditional methods limit your healing and recovery potentials. Join the regenerative medicine revolution with HemGenix and unlock the power of your own body for enhanced health and well-being. The science behind regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine is a rapidly evolving field that aims to harness the body's natural ability to heal and regenerate damaged tissues. It involves the use of stem cells, growth factors, and other biological materials to stimulate the repair and regeneration of tissues and organs. The science behind regenerative medicine is based on the understanding that the body has the innate capacity to regenerate and repair itself, given the right conditions. Stem cells, in particular, play a crucial role in regenerative medicine. These unique cells have the ability to differentiate into various cell types and can be found in different parts of the body, such as bone marrow, adipose tissue, and umbilical cord blood. By harnessing the regenerative potential of stem cells, researchers and clinicians can develop innovative therapies that promote tissue repair and regeneration. One of the most promising areas of regenerative medicine is stem cell therapy. This approach involves the transplantation of stem cells into damaged tissues or organs to stimulate repair and regeneration. Stem cells can be obtained from various sources, including the patient's own body, known as autologous stem cells, or from compatible donors. Through extensive research and clinical trials, scientists have demonstrated the effectiveness of stem cell therapy in treating a wide range of conditions, including orthopedic injuries, cardiovascular diseases, neurological disorders, and autoimmune conditions. By targeting the underlying cause of the disease or injury and promoting tissue regeneration, stem cell therapy offers a potential cure or significant improvement in the patient's condition. In addition to stem cells, regenerative medicine also utilizes other biological materials, such as growth factors, cytokines, and extracellular matrices, to enhance the healing process. These substances can be obtained from natural sources or produced synthetically in the laboratory. By providing the necessary signals and environment for tissue repair and regeneration, regenerative medicine therapies can accelerate healing and recovery, often surpassing the capabilities of traditional treatments. With ongoing advancements in technology and research, the science behind regenerative medicine continues to evolve. Scientists are exploring new ways to enhance the regenerative potential of stem cells, develop novel therapies, and improve the delivery methods to maximize the effectiveness of regenerative medicine treatments. Applications of regenerative medicine in healthcare. Regenerative medicine has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by offering innovative solutions for a wide range of medical conditions. The applications of regenerative medicine are vast and diverse, spanning across various medical specialties and fields. Some of the key areas where regenerative medicine is making a significant impact include orthopedics, cardiology, neurology, dermatology, and aesthetics. In orthopedics, regenerative medicine therapies are transforming the treatment of musculoskeletal injuries and conditions. Stem cell therapy, for example, has shown promising results in repairing damaged cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and bone tissue. By promoting tissue regeneration and reducing inflammation, regenerative medicine can provide long-lasting relief and improved functional outcomes for patients with conditions such as osteoarthritis, tendinitis, and ligament tears. In cardiology, regenerative medicine holds great promise for the treatment of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart failure and myocardial infarction. Stem cell therapy has been shown to improve heart function, promote the growth of new blood vessels, and reduce scar tissue formation in the heart. These effects can lead to improved cardiac function, reduced symptoms, and better quality of life for patients with heart disease. Neurological disorders, such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and spinal cord injuries, are also being targeted by regenerative medicine. Stem cell therapy has the potential to replace damaged neurons, promote neural repair, and improve functional outcomes in patients with these conditions. While the research in this area is still ongoing, early results have shown promising potential for regenerative medicine in the field of neurology. Dermatology and aesthetics are other areas where regenerative medicine is gaining traction. Platelet-rich plasma (PRP) therapy, a regenerative medicine treatment that utilizes the patient's own blood components, is being used to rejuvenate the skin, promote hair growth, and improve wound healing. PRP contains growth factors and other bioactive substances that stimulate collagen production, enhance tissue repair, and improve the overall appearance of the skin. These are just a few examples of the many applications of regenerative medicine in healthcare. The potential of regenerative medicine to transform the treatment of various medical conditions is immense, and ongoing research and clinical trials are expanding the possibilities even further. Advantages of regenerative medicine over traditional treatments. Regenerative medicine offers several advantages over traditional treatments, making it a compelling choice for patients seeking enhanced healing and accelerated recovery. Here are some of the key advantages of regenerative medicine. Tissue regeneration. Unlike traditional treatments that often focus on symptom management or tissue repair, regenerative medicine aims to regenerate and restore damaged tissues. By targeting the root cause of the problem and stimulating tissue regeneration, regenerative medicine offers the potential for long-term healing and improved functional outcomes. Personalized care. Regenerative medicine treatments are tailored to the individual needs of each patient. Through comprehensive evaluations and diagnostic tests, medical professionals can determine the most appropriate regenerative medicine therapies for each patient. This personalized approach ensures that the treatment is optimized for the specific condition and characteristics of the patient, leading to better outcomes. Minimally invasive. Many regenerative medicine procedures are minimally invasive, meaning they involve small incisions or injections rather than extensive surgeries. This not only reduces the risk of complications and infection but also results in shorter recovery times and less postoperative pain. Natural healing. Regenerative medicine harnesses the body's own healing mechanisms to promote tissue repair and regeneration. By utilizing the patient's own cells and biological materials, regenerative medicine treatments are natural and biocompatible, reducing the risk of adverse reactions or rejection. Reduced reliance on medications. Traditional treatments often involve the use of medications for symptom management or to slow down disease progression. In contrast, regenerative medicine aims to address the underlying cause of the condition and promote healing, potentially reducing the need for long-term medication use. Long-term results. Regenerative medicine treatments have the potential to provide long-lasting results, as they aim to restore and regenerate tissues rather than providing temporary relief. This can significantly improve the quality of life for patients and reduce the need for repeat treatments or surgeries. While regenerative medicine may not be suitable for all conditions or individuals, it offers a promising alternative to traditional treatments for many patients. By harnessing the body's natural healing potential, regenerative medicine can provide enhanced healing and accelerated recovery in a wide range of medical conditions. HemGenix, an overview of the company. HemGenix is a pioneering company in the field of regenerative medicine, dedicated to unlocking the power of the human body for enhanced healing and recovery. With a team of highly skilled medical professionals and cutting-edge technologies, HemGenix offers innovative regenerative medicine therapies that can transform the lives of patients. Founded by a group of experts in regenerative medicine, HemGenix has quickly established itself as a leader in the field. The company's mission is to provide personalized care and superior results to patients seeking regenerative medicine treatments. By combining the latest advancements in regenerative medicine with a patient-centric approach, HemGenix aims to optimize healing and recovery outcomes. HemGenix operates state-of-the-art facilities that adhere to the highest standards of quality and safety. The company's laboratories are equipped with cutting-edge technologies for the isolation, expansion, and characterization of stem cells. This ensures that the stem cells used in HemGenix's regenerative medicine therapies are of the highest quality and viability. In addition to its focus on scientific excellence, HemGenix places great importance on patient care and satisfaction. The company takes a comprehensive approach to patient care, starting with thorough evaluations and diagnostic tests to determine the most appropriate regenerative medicine therapies. Throughout the treatment process, HemGenix's medical professionals closely monitor the patient's progress and adjust the treatment plan as needed to ensure optimal outcomes. HemGenix also prioritizes patient education and transparency. The company believes in empowering patients with the knowledge and information they need to make informed decisions about their health. Through informative consultations, educational materials, and ongoing support, HemGenix ensures that patients are fully informed and engaged in their regenerative medicine journey. With a commitment to excellence and innovation, HemGenix is at the forefront of the regenerative medicine revolution. The company's dedication to unlocking the power of regenerative medicine for enhanced healing and recovery is transforming the lives of patients and shaping the future of healthcare. HemGenix Regenerative Medicine Products and Therapies. HemGenix offers a wide range of regenerative medicine products and therapies designed to promote healing and accelerate recovery. The company's treatments are tailored to the specific needs of each patient, ensuring personalized care and superior outcomes. Here are some of the key regenerative medicine products and therapies offered by HemGenix. Stem cell therapy. HemGenix utilizes the regenerative potential of stem cells to promote tissue repair and regeneration. Stem cell therapy involves the transplantation of stem cells into damaged tissues or organs to stimulate healing and restore function. HemGenix offers various types of stem cell therapy, including autologous stem cell therapy, where the patient's own stem cells are used, and allogeneic stem cell therapy, where compatible donor stem cells are used. Platelet-rich plasma, PRP, therapy. PRP therapy is a regenerative medicine treatment that utilizes the patient's own blood components to promote healing and tissue regeneration. PRP is obtained by isolating and concentrating platelets from the patient's blood, which are rich in growth factors and other bioactive substances. When injected into damaged tissues, PRP stimulates collagen production, accelerates tissue repair, and enhances the healing process. Extracellular matrix, ECM, therapy. ECM therapy involves the use of extracellular matrices, which are natural or synthetic scaffolds that provide structural support and promote tissue regeneration. HemGenix offers ECM therapy for various applications, including wound healing, tissue reconstruction, and organ regeneration. By providing a three-dimensional framework for cell growth and tissue development, ECM therapy enhances the body's natural healing processes and accelerates recovery. Growth factor therapy. Growth factors are naturally occurring substances in the body that regulate cell growth, proliferation, and differentiation. HemGenix harnesses the power of growth factors to promote tissue repair and regeneration. By delivering specific growth factors to the damaged tissues, HemGenix's growth factor therapy stimulates cell proliferation, accelerates tissue healing, and enhances functional recovery. Combination therapies. HemGenix also offers combination therapies that integrate multiple regenerative medicine approaches for enhanced healing and recovery. These combination therapies may include a combination of stem cell therapy, PRP therapy, ECM therapy, and growth factor therapy, tailored to the specific needs of each patient. By combining different regenerative medicine modalities, HemGenix maximizes the therapeutic potential and improves treatment outcomes. HemGenix's regenerative medicine products and therapies are backed by extensive research and clinical trials, ensuring their safety and efficacy. The company's medical professionals closely monitor each patient's progress throughout the treatment process, making adjustments as needed to optimize healing and recovery outcomes. Success stories, patient testimonials, and case studies. The success of regenerative medicine can be best illustrated through the stories of patients who have benefited from these innovative therapies. HemGenix has numerous success stories, with patients experiencing enhanced healing, accelerated recovery, and improved quality of life. Here are a few examples. John's journey to recovery. John, a professional athlete, suffered a severe knee injury that threatened to end his career. Traditional treatments provided limited relief, and surgery was considered the last option. However, John decided to explore regenerative medicine and underwent stem cell therapy at HemGenix. Within a few months, John experienced significant improvement in pain, range of motion, and function. Today, he is back on the field, performing at his best. Susan's story of healing. Susan had been struggling with chronic back pain for years, despite trying various treatments and therapies. She decided to try PRP therapy at HemGenix and was amazed by the results. After a few sessions of PRP injections, Susan's pain significantly reduced, and she regained her mobility. She no longer relies on pain medications and is able to enjoy her daily activities without limitations. Mark's remarkable recovery. Mark suffered a heart attack that left him with reduced heart function and limited energy. Traditional treatments offered little improvement, and Mark's quality of life was severely affected. Seeking alternative options, Mark underwent stem cell therapy at HemGenix. Over time, his heart function improved, and he regained his energy and vitality. Mark now leads an active life, free from the limitations imposed by his heart condition. These success stories are just a glimpse into the transformative power of regenerative medicine. Each patient's journey is unique, and the outcomes may vary depending on the specific condition and individual characteristics. However, the stories of these patients highlight the potential of regenerative medicine to enhance healing and recovery in a wide range of medical conditions. Thanks for watching.